Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change the Duolingo profile picture. First of all, open Duolingo. Click on the profile icon from the bottom. Then click on the profile to edit. From here, you can make your avatar the way you want. You can change its expression, hair color. Also, you can change its glasses, headwear, clothing color, and many more. After dressing your avatar, click on Done. Then click on Settings. From here, click on Change Avatar. You can also change it from here. Then click to save. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.